নমস্কাৰ অনুভৱ এডুকেশ্যনলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনালোঁ। সাধাৰণতে আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকক এইকেইটা কথা শিকালে ভাল। Teach your child to obey you teachers and elders, to say thank you whenever somebody gives him her something or does any favor to him her, to say sorry if she commits any mistake, to use please whenever she asks for something, to use excuse me whenever she interrupts any discussion, to talk softly, to be punctual, to use dustbin to throw rubbish, to eat slowly without making noise, not to pluck leaves or flower from trees and plants, to cover his her mouth whenever she coughs and or sneeze, to admit his her mistakes, to answer honestly and to say no politely if she does not know the answer. ভাল লাগিলে ভিডিওটো শেয়ার কৰিব আৰু এটা লাইক আৰু কমেন্ট কৰি দিব। ধন্যবাদ।